The installation instructions. Check that the control knob for the gas supply system is turned to the off position before starting any assembly. Attach the four legs to the tabletop using 8 screws. Attach the 2 side panels and the front panel to the legs using 12 screws. Attach the metal stand to the 4 legs using 4 screws. Attach the door to the left back leg using 1 screw. Tighten all the screws completely after assembly. Pour the lava rocks around the burner. Ensure the lava rocks are not placed on the ignition portion of the burner. Place the lid over the fire bowl. Place the propane gas tank into the metal stand. Make sure the gas tank sits on the metal stand completely. Turn the wing screw clockwise to secure the propane gas tank tightly. The lid must be removed when the burner is in operation. Press and hold the ignition control knob. Push the ignition control knob fully in and turn anti-clockwise to low position. Adjust the flame to the desired height with the ignition control knob. To shut down the burner, turn the burner control knob clockwise to the off position.